Why is the Amazon rainforest burning? The number of fires burning in Brazil's rainforest hit a 15-year high in June. Meanwhile, the rate of deforestation has also surged to record levels.
So we have a combination of a drier climate with more motivation to deforest. So this is extremely bad news.
Here are some factors driving destruction of the world's largest rainforest. Unlike wildfires in Europe or the United States, fires do not occur naturally in the humid tropical Amazon rainforest. Instead, farmers cut down the forests and set trees on fire to clear land. August and September are typically the height of dry season in the Amazon. That's why fires become harder to contain and can run out of control. But climate change is leading to higher temperatures and drier conditions throughout the year, making fires more frequent and severe. Forest fires have worsened since 2019, when right-wing President Jair Bolsonaro took office and sought to weaken environmental protections. Bolsonaro says protected areas of the Amazon should be open to mining and farming to fight poverty. Experts say that under his government, farmers, ranchers and land grabbers feel emboldened to destroy the forest without punishment. Reuters is Greenpeace Amazon coordinator.
No último ano de governo Bolsonaro, as pessoas, os contraventores, estão aproveitando esse último ano para que possam avançar sobre essas terras, possam fazer aí a especulação fundiária, e tudo isso é um prejuízo enorme para a população, para o país, e uma contribuição muito ruim que a gente está dando para a crise climática.
Between August 2020 and July 2021, deforestation in the Brazilian Amazon soared 22% to its highest level since 2006. More than 5,000 square miles of forest were cleared. That's according to the government's annual report. Bolsonaro has repeatedly denied an uptick in fires under his presidency, despite government data.
É equivalente a uma Europa ocidental. Como é que vai tomar conta disso tudo? E outra, se todo ano fosse realmente desmatado, que a imprensa aqui mostra, a Amazônia toda já era um deserto. A gente tinha que concordar com a matéria aqui. Não é verdade. E não é verdade.
Are the Amazon fires contributing to climate change? Yes. The destruction of old-growth trees in the Amazon releases a lot of climate-warming carbon dioxide. Scientists say sharply reducing deforestation is important for fighting climate change, as destruction of tropical rainforests is responsible for about 9% of human-caused CO2 emissions.